morning, cactus people. We have an unboxing video today. This is from our good friend Alan, who's a regular viewer, and his channel NewBotany has all sorts of things about wildflowers and orchids, native orchids. I'm sure you'll love it, and I'll put a link up to his channel. And he's very kindly sent me some Euphorbia cuttings, he promised. So I've had a quick slice around here just to make sure he hasn't put a jack in the box in, so I think we're all right, but apart from that I haven't opened it properly. So here we go, and ooh, very nicely packaged. There's a lot of stuff in there, and bear with me because I don't know much about Euphorbias, so I won't know the names. This one is a Euphorbia globosa, yeah. I've got one or two Euphorbias outside, and I've got a couple. Got one that Dad sent me, a couple that Dad sent me, but apart from that, I haven't got that many. So, ooh, there's that one. Very nice. And what I'll do, I'll put them over here until I can label them, keep them with the things, because I won't have a clue. And this one, Euphorbia aeruginosa. Ooh, look, there's a nice spiky one. This looks a bit like a cactus. It's more like it. And of course, you've got to be careful with Euphorbias because they've got very toxic sap on them. Like that one. And put that there. Euphorbia ferox, which I think just means wild or something like that. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, very nice. Thank you, Alan. He's very cactus-like. You can see the convergent evolution going on here. They've grown up in the same sort of areas or same conditions as cacti, even though they're unrelated. It's a bit like the Tasmanian wolf, which is a marsupial, but grew up in the same conditions as a wolf and ended up looking like a wolf. Oh, this looks like, no, it's not the same. It's Euphorbias barhensis. Which again looks lovely, but make sure I keep them with the labels because I won't know. And what we got here? We got the submammillarius. Oh, mammillaris. That sounds a bit cactusy, doesn't it? Oh yeah, and he looks a bit cactusy too. There we go. I'll put some still shots up at the end of this. Very nice. Try not to run out of space. You may be wondering who our new helper is here. He's here to ensure that we get instantly banned by the Chinese Communist Party if they look at my videos. And I'm sure you'll be able to look up why that is. C. mammillaris variegata. C? Or should that be an E? Might be an E. Yeah. Little variegated one, which looks very close to the other ones. Yeah. Excellent. Ooh, and still it goes on. There's a lot here. Thank you, Alan. Euphorbia cu cocklebur. That sounds like a native wildflower. Look at him. Oh, he's excellent. He's got ears. Excellent. We're going to have fun rooting these up. We're going down the nursery at some stage this week to get some more gravel because we're actually running out. And, oh, didn't look at the name of this one. Let's have a look. The platyclada, which I think means thick cladding. Which, excellent. Thick skin, maybe. Looks like the last one, yeah. Which is the Bilospina. Excuse me. Yeah, that looks like it will debilospine you. Excellent stuff. Well, thank you very much, Alan. I'll get all these put together, labelled up properly, and take some pictures of them. And in the meantime, thank you all for watching.